pagdating ng bawat isa sa lugar na ito. Ito naman muli kami humihingi na gabayan nyo at sana yung aming palinga ngayon ay maging matagumpay. Ito po ay para sa ikabubuti ng lahat, lalo-lalo na sa mga may karamdaman ng kanser at ganun din.
Kay Father, kung wala si Father, hindi ito magiging possible na liga. So, una, thank you sa inyo lahat. And then, nung unang pagpasok pa lang dito, nakita ko lahat nagbabatian, nagkakamayan, yung mga magkakatinggaling. So, ibig sabihin, itong liga nito ay ginawa ito para tayo magpapamilya. Nakakapaglaro kayo, at the same time, nakakatulong po tayo. So, sa opening na ito, kaya ginagawa ko namin to. This is actually second time already namin.
Bahay natin every Sunday and doon po napunta yun. Then also part of that proceed ay pinadala po natin sa mission namin sa Pilipinas. So yung patutunguhan ko yun, magpapagawa po tayo ng isang classroom.
You know what? I'm just here to support you guys. I just wanted to thank you for your support para sa memorial tapos para kay Paring Bernie. And you know that he's been as well as a member, an officer of the association one time before. And I just wanted to say thank you. And we appreciate you guys joining and supporting this sportsmanship. So all I ask you guys now is that friendliness lang yung laro, ha? Walang walang awayan. Kumbaga pwede lang maglaro in your own heart. This is in a good cause. So I wish everyone good luck and play well and play unity and friendliness. Okay, thank you. And this is in memory of Paring Bernie. Paring Bernie.
Raise your right hand for the oath of sportsmanship. I state your name and your team name. Do hereby solemnly swear that I will abide by all the rules as considerate victors or losers with grace and determined will to win. To all these ideas, I hereby pledge my wholehearted cooperation and full commitment.
Thank you, Aaron. Now,
About basketball natin. And of course, ang ating main sponsor, Busy. And Angkop. Palakpakan natin ang ating mga sponsors. And each team sa anin natin, thank you very much. Sa lahat po ng sumusuporta sa ating basketball league, thank you very much. Patuloy natin celebrate ang Pasko with the spirit of friendliness, camaraderie, and brotherhood. Thank you all, and let's have a nice game!
yes, thank you.